So in this question, you're given that y is equal to tan inverse of x whole square. And you're asked to find x square plus 1 whole square times d square y by dx square plus 2x times x square plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 1. So this is a function y completely in terms of x. So we can do the direct differentiation. So what is dy by dx? This is something square. Something square's differentiation is 2 times something into the differentiation of this something. That is the differentiation of tan inverse x. 1 by 1 plus x square. So this implies dy by dx is equal to 2 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. So you got the expression dy by dx. So if you differentiate this again, you get d square y by dx square, and if you substitute dy by dx and d square y by dx square in this expression, you can get the answer. But let us do it a little more intelligently. So what I do is, instead of directly doing the differentiation here, I'll do the cross multiplication. So 1 plus x square into dy by dx is equal to 2 tan inverse x. And what I do is, I'll square it on both sides. Let us see what happens if I do this. So whole square times dy by dx whole square is equal to 2 square times tan inverse x whole square. So why did I square it? Because now I can say that tan inverse x whole square is equal to y. So that is equal to 4 times y itself. 2 square is 4 times tan inverse x whole square is y. That is 1 plus x square whole square times dy by dx whole square is equal to 4y. Now what I do is, I'll differentiate this expression on both sides. So 1 plus x square whole square times the differentiation of this is 2 times dy by dx something square 2 times something into the differentiation of something is d square y by dx square plus, we have to use the product rule, right? dy by dx whole square times, what is the differentiation of this? 2 times 1 plus x square, 2 times 1 plus x square times 1 plus x square's differentiation is 2x is equal to 4 times dy by dx. So now as you can clearly see, there are some terms which can be cancelled out here. So dy by dx is there here, 1 dy by dx gets cancelled, 1 dy by dx gets cancelled. And you have a 2 here, you have a 2 here, and if 2 gets cancelled, you get 2 as the answer. So once you write the expression which is remaining, so you get 1 plus x square whole square times d square y by dx square plus, so 2x into 1 plus x square times the dy by dx is left here is equal to, we have 2 here. So this is what is asked in the question. This expression is nothing but this expression is equal to 2 is the answer. So option C is the right answer.